Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Rusty Mango Design. In this tutorial we're going to look at how you can add a product into your WooCommerce shop. As you can see, I'm already at the dashboard. To add a product, I simply come over to the left hand side, select product and then add product. Now the screen that comes up looks similar to the normal editing screen in WordPress, but it's been configured so that you can add all your product information. So the first product I'm going to add here is going to be a dress. So I'm going to bring the name across and put it into the title section of the add product page. Now down here I can add in a description of the dress that I'm placing in there, or I can leave it blank, and that's what I'm going to do in this case. In the product data, this product we're adding at the moment is not a simple product because it has variations such as the sizes that you can choose, so we're going to change it into a variable product. It has a stock keeping unit, so I'm going to just type that in and make sure everything is set as desired. Okay, just type it into that section there, and I'm going to take the taxing off it. We don't need to do anything else down here. I'll put a weight in there for shipping, classified as 200 grams. The important part down here is the attributes, and this is where we put in what sizes it can be ordered in. Now adding the attributes is easy. All you have to do is go to the drop down menu, select sizes and then add. Now we want to see all the sizes that it's available in, so we're going to go select all, and the sizes this one is available in is from 8 to 14, so I'll just click on the little crosses there to get rid of the sizes that it can't use. And finally I'm going to tick used for variations here. So I can move on to the next section. I'll click on Save Attributes. Okay, so the attributes are all set. Now we go to the variations. Now in the variations we can add what the cost is. So I'm going to go up here and just simply click on Go. And you'll see that I've already got one variation in here, and that is for any size. If I wanted to add a different variation for every size, for example, say the cost is different on every size, I would click on Go a number of times, and then I would go to each and choose what size I would like to change. So for example, size 12, I could put a different cost on it. But because the cost is the same in all of these, I simply click on the little bar that's next to the drop down menu. You can also click on this little arrow here, and we're going to go down and put a price in. Now the price for this particular item, $69. We don't need to do anything else in here except go to the bottom of the section and click on Save Changes. Now finally, before we add it to our catalog, we need to say what category it's in. So I'm going to tick dresses, and I'm going to load an image of the product up from the hard drive. That's the dress there. Wait for it to load up. Now whenever you add an image of any sort to your website, make sure you fill in the alt tag. Just waiting for the image to be uploaded. You can see the progress bar here, and once that disappears I can come over here to the right hand side and put in the details for that particular dress. I click on Set Product Image, so I've got a dress coming up down here in the product image box. Back to the top. Now this one's a little bit funny. Sometimes when you click on the Publish button, it will come up and say published in the status. Okay, that's what it said here. You must check that after you've clicked on publish. Make sure that doesn't say draft. If it still says draft, it's not going to appear in the shop. So if it still says draft after you've clicked on publish, click on the update button and it will eventually change for you. And now we have that object in our shop.